What is up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $300 per day free PayPal money this week. You do not have to wait a lot of months and probably this is one of the fastest way and this is really guys one of the killer ways to make money online. Okay, and you do not have to wait a lot of months, you do not have to be an expert because I will be sharing with you everything in this video. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now let's jump onto the website. So basically what I'm going to share with you is I am going to share with you how you can make a lot of money with launch jacking even if you are a complete beginner. Okay, so even if you are a complete beginner, it really does not matter. So now guys, as you can see, we are on the Munchai. Basically on the Munchai we are going to find the products which we can sell. Basically guys, launch jacking is something whenever, let's say tomorrow a product is going to launch, and if we are going to make instantly a video on that product, then we can be the one whose video will be ranking on the top on the YouTube, and then we can really start making a lot more money because we will be ranking on the top and nobody will be there. Okay, and even if we suck, still we can get the ranking within the first 10 place. Okay, and those are going to get the most clicks, most sales. So now guys, basically Munchai is a website where you can find the products that are going to launch today, tomorrow, or even after this week, stuff like that. You can find the products. So basically, as you can see, the listings are over here for 2 months, 3 months. As you can see over here, it's about from 21 May. Okay, so as you can see, they are listed about till 21 May. So you can really think how big is the opportunity is. But we are only going to create the videos for the products which are going to be ahead between just 1 week. We are not going to look, for example, today is 2 December. Okay, and so what we can do, we can literally create a video for 7 December. We do not have a product, but what we can do actually, we can ask that guy for the product. Okay, for the product review. And there are two tactics. The first tactic is, guys, first of all, go over here. There are two options: big launches and all launches. If you want, you can also create the videos on the all launches, but the big launches are the one for which these are all of the vendors which have made thousands of dollars. Okay, so these are the big launches. So now guys, let's say we are going to promote this one product. Okay, so now what we will do, first of all we are going to promote a product. Let's say this product is available for will launch on 2 December. That means today. Okay, so let's say if we want to promote this product, what we will do, we will simply do one thing. And what we will do, we are going to simply create a video about 5 or 7 days ago before the product is going to launch. Okay, what it will do, on that time nobody has any video on the YouTube. Okay, we will be the first one to create the video. We will be having a product for the review, and then what we can do, we can, after the product will be launched, we can add the link in the description. So our video is already ranking on the top and it will start getting the results, and as we have added the link, so probably we will start getting sales. And what the second thing we will do, on the day of the launch, we are again going to create one more video. So that means if at least one of our video is going to be just settle up on the rank 1, boom, we are going to make a lot more money, guys, a lot more. First of all, let's just head over to the YouTube. Basically a lot of guys are doing it. Okay, so as I've searched for this guy for this product, members kit review. So as you can see, there are not a lot of the kind of reviews. 1, 2, 3, and this one is really sucks. Look at this. There is no thumbnail. Whosoever is going to click, look at this, 1 day ago and no views at all. But this guy published around 8 hours ago and still 4 views. Yeah, he's also having subscribers. Both are having subscribers, but as you can see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Literally, guys, max to max, there are only 10 reviews. There are only 10 reviews because some of the reviews really sucks. Okay, they haven't even created a thumbnail. So you can really think, and what the other thing can separate you is giving them bonuses. Okay, a lot of people may not be giving the bonuses, but it really depends, because some of the buyers, what they will do, they are going to just check out which one is providing good bonuses. Okay, so they are going to buy from that. Literally guys, look at this guy has gotten only 178 views. Okay, but all of these 178 views are high, are really high, much literally they are laser targeted. Okay, they are not kind of like only the guys who are going to see the product, they are not going to buy, but they are the ones who are going to buy the product. Okay, so those are really high converting views, because if they have heard about this product, they might have heard from somewhere else, and that's why they want to buy it, and they are searching on, they are looking for the review for their product on the YouTube. Okay, so that's what they need to do. So now the first thing, as I've already told you, we are going to create one video in a week ago, or even just one video will work, because there is not a much competition. 10 videos which are having 0 views even. Okay, so this is one of the tactic we are going to use. And look at this guy is really making killing, because look at this, 62,000 subscribers, and he generally promotes every good product. Okay, so now guys, the first thing is we are going to find a product. What I will suggest you, just go with the big launches. Okay, so let's say we are going to pick this product or any of the product. So after we are going to pick the product, we need to head over to the guy to start asking for the affiliate access and for the product access, so that we can really create a review video. So now how you can get access to both of the things. So the first thing is let's say the product, which product is this? Yeah, it's the automation bundle, this one. Okay, it's the Toad Grows automation bundle, which is 67 bucks, and we are going to get paid 50% of the money. So as you can see, we are on this page, and now what we need to do, there are a lot of things we can do. So the first thing is we are going to head over to their JV page, and on the JV page we are going to JV page is the page where you can get access to the product. Okay, so it is the, look at this, this is the JV page of the product. And as you can see, join us, basically here you can get access to the for your affiliate link. You just need to click on over here and just straight to your PayPal account through Get Instant Commission. That's all. You can get the link from here, and if they are going to ask for you anything like there is kind of like they are going to review to give you affiliate access, what you need to do, you need to simply head over to the just pick up your phone and then simply create a very simple video recording yourself, and then tell, hello, that I'm really interested in promoting your product affiliate automation bundle, and if you have bought any of the courses, guys, just tell them that I have bought these courses, or I have been going through these courses, or whatever you can tell them, because that is going to help you to get the affiliate access more easily. 90% of the chances you are going to get affiliate access if you are going to create a video, because 90% people are just going to write 2 or 3 lines, and then they will think that that's all I can do. Okay, but you will be in the rest of the 1 to 10% guys who are only going to create the video, and you will be separated from 90%. So they are going to think like, if this guy can create the video for the affiliate access, he can really promote my product very well. So they are going to give you access, and if you have any results, if you do not have any result, you do not have to worry. Just tell them I have been going through this or maybe this. Just tell them. Okay, they are going to do not just brag a lot, but just be kind of be to the point and tell them, just give me a chance and I will show you. Okay, just give me a chance and I will not let you go down. Okay, and probably 90% of the chances, this is what when I was starting out, this is the method when I got access to the product. Okay, literally I do not need to tell a lot, because the video I am creating, that matters a lot. Okay, so now we have gotten the access. Okay, in most of the cases you do not even have, there is no even the kind of the review, they are instantly going to give you the affiliate access. Okay, affiliate link. And now we have gotten the affiliate link. So now what we need to do, we need the product. Okay, we need the product to give the review. So now guys, after when you are going to click on the visit sales page, it will show a page like this. Okay, and then basically it's a Munchai page, and then you can then just simply type in your email. Okay, and thereafter when you are going to be redirected, then on the page, on that page you can find the access. But look at this, guys, there are a lot of ways to get access to the product. Okay, first of all, as coming down over here, first of all, in most of the cases, look at this, their Skype is also available, and in most of the cases the email is also available. Okay, in most of the cases the email is also available here. Let's just see whether the email is available or not. Probably I cannot see their email anywhere, so yeah, their email is not available anywhere. Okay, so now what we will do, we have we are going to still having a lot of options. Look at this, these are the two guys with which we can ask for the product review access. And now what we need to do, we just need to simply search for this guy's name on the Facebook, and probably we can really get to know this guy. As you can see that I searched for another vendor and I found this vendor. Look at this, there is nothing written like what you can find is the face of that guy. Look at this, the face of the product creator. This is the face of the product creator. So if you are going to search for their name, most of the time you are going to find their face on the Facebook. And otherwise, if you cannot find the face on the Facebook, probably your friends, their friends will be the affiliate marketers. Okay, because those are the ones who are going to connect with them. So there is also a chance. So what you need to do, you then just simply need to add them as a friend, and then just simply tell them, hey, I want to create a review for your product, please give me the review access, and within 24 hours I will send you the video link, the review video link, and after that you can also withdraw the product access. So you can do something like that. So in that way, if you can literally find these guys. Okay, let's just head over to the Facebook. And in most of the cases you are also going to find the affiliate manager. Look at this guy has gotten the look at this guy is available over here. Just send him a message, and when I was searching for a lot of different products, I found most of the products on which I can find the kind of the email of where I can talk. Look at this, guys, one more thing over here, you can also find a lot of bonuses. Okay, a lot of bonuses. Look at this, they are going to give you a Mercedes for the first place, and a TV. There are a lot of stuff because there are also the cash prizes as well available, so you do not have to worry if you are going to do. Look at this, there is also another way to reach out to them, support desk. Just head over to the support desk, and there also you are going to, you can also get access to that page. Okay, you can also get access to the product, and also other things you can do is there are 2 or 3 more product creator, so head over to each one of them, and then you can easily get at least one of them is going to give you their email. Okay, and look at this, this guy has also given for you can reach Mike for urgent issues on his cell phone via SMS, text, stuff like that. They have given everything, guys. Look at this, they have even written over here, you can reach John on Facebook Messenger, so probably they are there to reply. You do not have to worry about that. And when I was searching for another product, yeah, I think this one is the one. So as it's taking a little longer, but for this product I found that this product is having a kind of a email. Okay, look at this, their Facebook link and their email, so you can also find all of these things available. So this is so in this way you can find the affiliate product access. So now, guys, if you are not going to find the affiliate access in this way, simply they are also having another ways. The another ways are when you are going to just head over to anywhere, like when you are going to join this stuff. Okay, probably they are going to send you emails, and you can also reply back to the same emails. And if you can find them on the YouTube, they may be given some kind of free training. Just the email that is sending those free trainings, just shoot the email back. There are a lot of ways, guys. You just need to hit something. Okay, just hit them up on everything wherever you can find them, and you will be able to get access. So the first step is to head over to the Munchai, select a product from the big launches, and then just simply head over to their kind of the JV page, and then just ask for the review access. Okay, and most of 90% of the times you are going to get instantly the review, kind of the affiliate link access. So now you have gotten the link. Now we need the product. So for the product, just head over to the JV page. Okay, head over to the JV page. If you can find your affiliate manager email, simply shoot him an email. If you cannot find, just search for the product creator on the Facebook, and then you can find their email and all that stuff. And if you cannot find something like this, head over to their sales page, below their sales page, and then just simply head over, like in this, it's not available, but in most of the cases also available, like support section. So also head over, reach out to over there. So these are the ways, guys, you can simply reach out to them, and thereafter you have gotten the review access. Simply create a video. You do not have to show your face. Just record a video like PowerPoint presentation, or maybe like this I'm creating right now. Okay, and then just simply one more thing, guys, also do not forget to create the bonuses, because those will give you the sales. Otherwise they are going to buy from these guys who are giving the bonuses. Okay, there is not a much competition, only 10 guys are over here, and some of them are may not be giving you kind of the bonuses. So that's also another thing for you. So I really hope that with this method, guys, you can easily start making money. Just start doing this stuff, and you will see that within 30 days, or even if you are going to do this in the right way, within just 7 weeks, you are going to start getting results. So you are going to start getting results. So I really think that this can really help you. But if you want to learn this kind of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description, because there you will learn how to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner. Okay, so bye bye, tata for now. If you have any query, let me know in the comment box, and if you like this video, then smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.